Okay, so I finished syncing the iPad to my iTunes account, and I'm going to turn it on. And we're going to see what happens after you've synced it up. So right now it's loading. It has 93% battery power, so they do ship it in the mail with the iPad actually somewhat charged. And so we're going to slide to unlock. It says edit home screen. To rearrange icons, touch and hold any icon until it starts to wiggle. Then drag icons to desired locations. Drag an icon to the far right. To create additional home screens, press the home button when done. So we're going to dismiss that prompt, and what we're going to do is see what happens when you actually do that. So now you see them wiggling. And we're going to see what happens when you drag them to the right. So it actually does move to the other page. And you'll see here that the apps that I've synced are inside this iPad already. And my notes were put onto the second page. I want to move it back, so let's go back that way. And let's put it back in its spot. And then when you're done, you press the home button at the bottom. And let me show you how you navigate to your other pages. It works similarly to an iPhone, where you're able to drag the apps onto different pages. So now we're going to check mail inside the iPad, and we're going to open up an email. And as you can see, you can click on it and it'll open up the browser so you can view links from your email. You can pinch to zoom in, pinch out. You're going to go back to the home screen and we're going to look at photos. So we put in 3 photos here. You can scroll through them. So now we're going to check out an app inside the iPad. I'm going to click on Google Earth. And we're going to zoom in, and you can actually rotate the globe by pinching. It shows different landmarks on the map. You can also search by typing in an address. And it'll search the location for you. So you can zoom in, check that location out. You can also do a GPS pinpoint where it will find where you are exactly. And it also shows which way is pointing north. So it asks if you want to find your current location. And it's going right here. Okay, so now we're going to close this app, and I'm also going to show you what the outside and the back part look like. So here's the back, and then here we have the side buttons for volume and to lock the screen. Your power button is up here again, and as you can see, when you rotate it sideways, your screen adjusts to your point of view. Stay tuned, because we'll also show videos of adding a case to your iPad as well as a wireless keyboard.